want to get us all arrested? Do you want to see your mother in prison? Then do what I say.
Good evening, ma'am. Sorry to disturb you. We've had reports of androids in the area. With all this deviant business going on, you can't be too careful. Do you mind if I ask you a few questions? May I come in?
Of course.
Evening, young man.
Good evening.
Would you like a cup of coffee?
I'd love one. Have you noticed anything unusual recently? Any unexpected visitors?
No. No, nothing in particular.
Is anyone else in the house?
There's my daughter. She's asleep upstairs.
Do you have any androids here?
We used to for helping in the garden, but we got rid of it.
What's with the blue blood? I thought you didn't have any androids.
We used to have one. I should really clean out that closet.
Your daughter seems to have woken up. What's your name, son?
Adam. My name is Adam.
Is everything all right, Adam?
The androids, they...
Do you know anything about deviants? Have you seen any?
No. No. I haven't seen anything.
I better head out. Don't worry about the coffee. Have a nice evening. Is somebody else in the house?
No, there's no one.
Step aside, ma'am. Oh, shit. Don't move! In there, with them.
No, Luther!
He's dead!
Luther!
You're gonna have to finish the journey without me. I was just a machine. You made me part of a family.
Luther, no.
I don't believe this. This is a nightmare. This is a fucking nightmare!
Get yourselves ready. We leave tonight.